Is it the right time to buy or sell Intel stock? Today, we're going to take a deep dive into Intel. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, January 25, 2024. And now, we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. It's important not to miss any crucial updates that could have an impact on your investments. Take your trading decisions to the next level with our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Remember, this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since January 18, 2024, our system has identified Intel as a strong buy candidate, with a score of 5.45. Now, let's delve into the stock's performance during this period. The stock has experienced a gain of 6.01%. This translates to an average daily return of 1% since it was labeled as a strong buy candidate. The stock is currently in the midst of a strong and upward trend, showing promising signs for further growth. Over the next 3 months, the stock is expected to experience a potential change of 31.68%, offering a potential return ranging from 21.51% to 45.83%. Looking ahead to the next 12 months, the trend suggests a significant 59.76% change, with a potential return between 20.23% and 68.45%. This implies a price range of $59.57 to $83.47 after a year. Our latest update on Intel brings good news. Intel stock has been upgraded to a strong buy candidate. On the last trading day, which was Thursday, January 25, 2024, the Intel stock price increased by 0.94%, going from $49.09 to $49.55. This marks the 6th consecutive day of gains. While it's not common for stocks to rise for so many days in a row, it's important to note that occasional dips are normal. Throughout the trading day, the stock experienced a fluctuation of 2.72%, ranging from a low of $48.97 to a high of $50.30. In the past 10 days, the price has risen in 7 of them, resulting in a 4.38% increase over the past 2 weeks. Furthermore, the volume of shares traded on the last day increased along with the price, which is a positive indicator. In total, there were 25 million more shares traded compared to the previous day, with a total of 73 million shares bought and sold, amounting to approximately $3.60 billion. Looking at the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $51.28, while the lowest price was $24.73. Currently, the price is 3.36% or $1.73 below the 52-week high. Additionally, it is 28.49% or $19.74 below the all-time high, which was reached on January 24, 2020, when the price reached $69.29. Analyst ratings. On Wednesday, January 24, 2024, Cantor Fitzgerald gave Intel a neutral grade with an initialize action. On Friday, January 19, 2024, Tigris Financial gave Intel a buy grade with a hold action. On Monday, December 18, 2023, Needham gave Intel a neutral grade with an upgrade action. On Friday, December 15, 2023, Deutsche Bank gave Intel a neutral grade with an upgrade action. On Friday, December 15, 2023, Bank of America Securities gave Intel a neutral grade with an upgrade action. According to analysts, Intel stock has received a general buy rating. The PE ratio is rated as neutral, and the price-to-book ratio is also considered neutral. When it comes to return on investment, the analysts have given the stock a neutral rating. In this video, we'll be discussing the signals identified for Intel stock. The Intel stock currently shows buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, which indicates a positive forecast for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal from the relation between these two signals, where the short-term average is above the long-term average. In case of corrections in the stock price, there is support expected from the lines at $48.10 and $46.82. However, if the stock price breaks below any of these levels, it will issue sell signals. It's worth noting that the volume is rising along with the price, which is considered a good technical signal. On the other hand, there have been some negative signals as well, which may influence the near short-term development of the stock. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Wednesday, December 27, 2023, resulting in a decline of -2.38% so far. It is expected that the stock will continue to fall until a new bottom pivot has been found. Furthermore, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, MACD. Here are some other signals that you might find interesting. The Moving Average Convergence Divergence indicator shows a sell signal. The pivot signal indicated a sell 20 days ago. Bollinger Bands gave a buy signal 20 days ago. The short-term moving average gave a buy signal 6 days ago. The long-term moving average showed a sell signal 8 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 57 days ago. Now, let's analyze the 12-month chart. The short moving average gave a buy signal 6 days ago. The long-term moving average indicated a buy signal 62 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages showed a buy signal 207 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Today, let's discuss support, risk, and stop loss for Intel. When it comes to support, Intel has some important levels to consider. Just below today's stock level, there is a support at $46.16. And if that is broken, the next support will be at $45.18. It's crucial to watch these levels because if they are breached, the stock may fall further. We should also talk about the risk involved in testing a support level. It's natural to expect some uncertainty as the stock finds its footing. If the support at $46.16 is broken, Intel could potentially drop to the next support level at $45.18 or even $43.35. Now, let's consider the risk level of Intel. This stock has average movements during the day and with good trading volume, the risk is considered medium. Looking at the recent data, the stock moved $1.33 between its high and low, representing a 2.72% change. Over the past week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 3.49%. Before we explore potential trading levels for Intel, let's first discuss some important fundamental data. One crucial metric to consider is the price-to-earnings ratio, also known as the P/E ratio. This ratio compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings. A negative P/E ratio indicates that a company either has negative earnings or is incurring losses. Established companies may face temporary downturns due to external factors beyond their control. However, consistently negative P/E ratios could signify insufficient profitability and potential bankruptcy risks. Moving on, the upcoming earnings report for Q1 2024 is scheduled for April 25, 2024. Today, let's explore some potential day trading levels for Intel. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Intel stands at $50.25. If you currently don't own any shares, it might be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before considering a position. However, for those who already have the stock, this could be a level worth considering for swing trading purposes. On the flip side, Intel faces its initial support level at $46.16. If this level manages to hold, it could present a favorable entry point, with the potential for a rebound. The overall consensus from multiple analyst sources is that Intel is rated as a buy. Now, let's dive into some recent insider trades. On December 29, 2023, Yuri Frank D. made an insider purchase of 141,791 shares of Phantom stock units. Similarly, on December 29, 2023, Smith Gregory D. bought 62,189 shares of Phantom stock units. And on the same day, Goldsmith Andrea Joe acquired 522,388 shares of phantom stock units. Turning our attention to December 22, 2023, we see that Gelsinger Patrick P. purchased 13,063 shares of common stock. However, on the same day, Gelsinger Patrick P. sold 6,477 shares of common stock. Considering the 100 most recent insider trades, the insider power ratio is calculated to be negative at -8.196. In these last 100 trades, insiders bought a total of 337,967 shares and sold 403,532 shares. Our recommended stop loss for this stock is set at $47.71, which represents a decrease of 3.71%. With medium daily movements, this stock carries a moderate level of risk. Furthermore, there is a sell signal from a pivot top that was identified 19 days ago. Is Intel stock a good buy? Intel currently shows promising signs and is experiencing a strong upward trend. As the saying goes, let the trend be your friend. Based on this, we believe it is a wise choice to invest in Intel at its current levels, and we anticipate further growth over the next 3 months. Our analysis has been upgraded from a buy to a strong buy recommendation. By analyzing the recent volatility and market movements, our systems have identified that the current price of Intel is undervalued. For trading on Friday, January 26, we predict that Intel will open up at $49.61, an increase of $0.0567. Before we dive into today's topic, it's important to remember that trading comes with a risk of losing money. We strongly recommend consulting a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions. It's crucial not to solely rely on StockInvest.us for your investment choices. By using the information provided, you agree to take full responsibility for your own investment decisions. Welcome to Stock Invest, where we provide you with our current view of the stock market. We value your opinion, so don't hesitate to comment below and share your thoughts. We're curious to know, what is your target for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe to stay updated with our latest content. Our team wishes you successful trading and a beautiful day ahead. Thank you for joining us here at Stock Invest.